Okay, guys. So I did a little poking around in Breadcrumb here to figure out where we're going to get our journal entry reports from. First thing I want to show you is that I put in categories under beverage. So we got beer, liquor, wine categories. Under liquor, I put vodka because we had sold a Kettle One. I just wanted to see what it would do. Um, so you can put in as many categories as you want, and you can put in these subcategories. You just got to make sure they're put under the right one. One of the things that I noticed was would to keep it straight, because see, these all the categories show up. Um, I would do the uh, major categories like sushi, or for actually major categories. So let's say here we got beverage, and then liquor. Liquor I know is a subcategory, but what I'm saying is put a capital on the, or even make it capital letters to make it a major category, and subcategory put in the lowercase letters, so you can tell them apart when you're on this section. Um, so the categories will transfer over to your items, and this is nice because it'll let you sort this according to your category. And for doing liquor inventory, if you keep all your vodkas together, your gins together, etc., you just go ahead and click this, uh, and sort according to the way you want it sorted, and then you can export it to a CSV, print it in Excel, and you automatically have your inventory sheet. Now, you see here, under here, you just have uh, Caso Azul Reposado, which technically is a tequila. I would do subcategory uh, of beverage liquor tequila. And I wouldn't do it in the sort category here, because these are the categories that are related to your sales and your product mix and all that stuff. This just helps you sort out your items. So, to be honest, I think this, don't worry about the sort code, worry about the category. So when we put stuff in categories, when we come over and we look at sales, this is where all our journal entry stuff's going to come. And we can see here for this day, we have a beverage total and a food total, but then we can just open these up and you can see liquor total, this, and beverage total. So we drop this down, and you can see here, right now, wine is in a subcategory because it doesn't have any, anything underneath it. But if we make it, put wine and then put glass wine, bottle wine, it'll show up real nice, wine total. But here you drop this down and you can see we sold, $10 in vodka. So when we're doing journal entries, we're going to be working off this net side, because I haven't seen the comps yet, but I'm assuming it's going to say, took in this, minus comps, minus tax, is this much you actually sold in beverage. This is the important number you want, because this is how you're going to do your cost, what you actually earn on that beverage. And then food total, same thing. You can break it down if you want sushi, appetizers, entrees, desserts, and then start putting these things under their appropriate categories. So then you'll be able to go, okay, here's my appetizer total, here's my entree total, and just do it across like that. It makes it nice and neat, especially for beverage, so we can see it on QuickBooks. Down here, real nice, you got your sushi bar, your different revenue centers, so you'll actually be able to see, oh, sweet, sushi bar crushed it today. Everyone else sucked. Good job, sushi bar. Down here is going to be your deposits. So you're going to be looking at here, the total, because that's what goes to the bank. So payment plus tip equals total. And then down here, voids and comps, we don't put those in QuickBooks because, we just track them separately. Over here, you're looking at your cash deposit is going to be here. That's going to tell you you're over short. Count your cash. Look here. There you go. So the other nice thing here is if you wanted to, you can download it, and it comes up real nice on Excel. Um, you probably don't need to do this ever, but there are journal entry things on here. For instance, sales tax is a separate journal entry. It's going to grab the money out of clearing account and put it in the sales tax liability on QuickBooks. And so, if you're looking at it here, you just need to know that total tax that's a journal entry. Go back here. And it just shows the same things. You can see your check average, your people. Here you got net, liquor, wine, and then beer if you sold any of that. And then your credit cards and your cash down at the bottom. That's it. All right. So yeah, I would get to working on those categories. It looks like that you can make some changes in Breadcrumb, and it should be pretty easy and go across all your stuff. Just as simply as once you get the item and you get your, we want Jameson under, or we want Chopin's under vodka, but we want Jameson under whiskey. You can just double click on your JMO and change the category. And remember, we're looking for the lowercase whiskey, which I have not put in yet, but that's what you want to be doing. Also, have them double check. You got 2 beverage in here, which is a little confusing. But anyway, that's it. Later.